Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me. They're trying to match a font, and all the letters look good with the exception of the Arial T. They want it to look like this. This is really easy. Let's make a duplicate just so we can always make a duplicate. So let's take that one is still an Arial font. Let's go up to Object and convert it to a curve. And then let's go left click, right click. Don't really have to do that. But with the Shape tool, well, let's open up the window Docker's corners. Now in other versions, it might be called something else. I can't really remember, but it's going to be there. And then select the node you want to do, and we're going to change the radius, fillet, which is a rounded corner, 1/4 of an inch. And then grab that one and I'll hit apply. And when you fill it in, it looks just like the other one. Now, you can do both at one time. So you could hold down the shift key and select that one, and then do that, and it'll do it. You can do all four corners. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.